Jim from TechBuzz, new products, Sudio shaping sound. We've new earbuds from Sudio. So we've also got a kind of giveaway with this as well and a code for the site. So stay tuned for the full review and we'll give you that information at the end of the video. So what have we got here? Nice presentation. And that's the earbuds, and this is the bag that's being given away by Andrea Maack. So looks really nice, and Sudio plus Andrea Maack, and same there. Nice bag for carrying our stuff in, really cool. And it's nice to see Sudio doing some partnerships. So this is the new Sudio ETT. So you've got 2 wireless earphones that active noise cancelling, wireless charging, 30 hours total play time. And you've got clear voice microphone, 4 extra charges, wireless charging, which is cool, IPX5, Type-C quick charge, and dual mode instant connection. Very nice. So we've done a lot of Sudio stuff on site, and I like their products. And we've got the green ones here, being Irish and all that kind of stuff, you know. So let's pop off all this stuff here. So there we go, it looks pretty cool indeed. So that's the case there. Nice kind of soft matte finish with your USB-C port. And this nice tag on the side. So let's have a look at the accessories first. So in here we get your USB-C cable to USB-A, which is branded as you can see. And you also get all these tips, which is nice. Great to see that as well. And get the perfect fit, which is obviously is what you want, and of course your owner's guide. So let's put everything back. I like to keep all these things nice and tidy, as you know. So we're going to pop that back in there, and look at these. I have no nails. So there we go, up close. Open up, and let's have a look at these guys. The magnet is very strong on this. We've been trying to pull them out there. So that's what they look like there. Pretty cool looking. And you see you got your buttons there, and you've got your mics, and you've got quite a few mics there, and your connection points on the bottom there. So let's pop them back in and see if we get any lights. You've got left and right as well on the inside there, and that's basically it. I think these are completely flat because there's no LEDs coming on, but they are probably the strongest magnets I've felt in a pair of earbuds in a while. But that is not a bad thing. So if you ever drop your case or that like that, they will be safe. I know there's no power to these need to be charged up. But it's a really cool looking case as well. Really nice again with this tag on the side too, which really gives it some flair. And it's a nice softish kind of finish on it too. That's basically it on what they look like. So that's just a quick first look and unboxing of the Sudio ETT. With the brand, with the partnership with Andrea Maack, there's going to be a code. Check up on the site and we'll drop a code there as well for a site-wide discount with TechBuzz Ireland. Any questions? You know what to do. Hit us up below. Stay tuned for techbuzzireland.com for more videos and hands-on reviews. We bring you the most products, and we bring you the most hands-on reviews where you can see the product in my hands and get a closer look at how they work and so on, and some tutorials and all that kind of jazz. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the full review.